Alright, so this is going to be a quick short tutorial video on how to make your Claude human or like human in terms of copy. So let's go to the first step is go to Humanizer GitHub. So just type in Humanizer GitHub and the Blader one, you just click on it, then go to code and download this as a zip file. Then what you do is go to Claude, go to customize and go to skills, and you'll add in the new skill using this uploader skill. You'll add in the zip file right here. So what this does is it has all the rules and regulations for giving a copy using this skill. So what we do is after adding the skill, we go to a new chat and just type in, write me a direct response email copy for a skincare brand, and this is the main part, using the Humanizer skill. So what this does is it uses all the rules and regulations from the skill and gives you a perfect result without any M dashes or any sort of that things. So it really sounds like human. So I've been using this skill for all of my copies, plain text copies, and even the email designs. So yeah, this is really important when you're doing an email copy or any sort of copy, even for captions or something like that. So yeah, this is it for this video. Thank you. If you want anything else from me, want to learn anything, just let me know and I'll make a video on it. Thanks. Bye bye.